Over 80 years ago, untrained workers carved America's presidential mountain just with their hands. How can a drill create such lifelike giant heads? How exactly is this achieved? In 1927, to boost local tourism, a sculptor named Borglum decided to create a statue. The majestic Mount Rushmore took a lot of time to carefully select and sculpt. The mountain peak seemed like nature's own canvas, crafted just for him. After leading the team to decide on a great project here, Borglum began studying the president, photo, and created a precise 1/12 scale bust model. Initially, Mount Rushmore was the barren mountain had no roads or electricity, so the team built housing at the base. They built a wooden staircase to the top of the mountain. Once everything was ready, Borglum used explosives to clear the mountain. Dirty skin. This way, you can quickly create a rough head shape for more detailed sculpting. However, using a 30-kilogram handheld drill for fan work requires caution. Engineers first built a large factory at the mountain's base for safe operation. The room houses 3 large air compressors that send compressed air through pipes. At the 600-meter-high mountain peak, engineers ensured enough power for the handheld drill. They built a special pulley system and secured it with chains to stabilize the base. People work tirelessly, but the issue is that workers neither paint nor have any sculpting experience. How did they carve it so precisely? Borglum first planned to use projections. Although this can solve the image's flat shape, it can't handle complex 3D forms. Outline. Later, after researching, I found out that Greeks use a method called point measurement. By marking each detail's coordinates, they could perfectly scale up the model. Borglum found inspiration in this method and built a rotating structure on the mountaintop. After measuring the large moving wall, just measure each model reference point. Multiply the span and depth by 12 to perfectly project onto Mount Rushmore. After 7 long years of construction, Washington's head was finally carved. The eyes look dull like Greek statues. To make the statue look lively forever, Borglum first had workers carve a deep hole for the eyes. The pupil acts as the eye's center, with a smooth square column for highlights. The soul gazed from afar, its eyes shining brightly, illuminating the entire place instantly. The statue's texture took shape over 14 years of work, until Borglum finally completed the 4 presidents. As he was about to continue carving the president's clothes and the scene behind, the war's outbreak forced this project to end, and in 1941, Borglum died of illness. After the president's mountain couldn't be completed as planned, it was dedicated to Borglum's artistic vision. The team decided to finish the project after refining the facial details. Lee's Miracle Project.